Hey everybody, welcome to Remat's Kitchen, and today I will show you how to make this delicious white chocolate pecan butter brownies. We will start by toasting the pecans using 1 cup of pecans. And today we're going to sprinkle it with salt, and then we'll toast it for 8 to 10 minutes for 350 degrees. Once it's toasted, we'll put it in the food processor. And then we're going to blend it halfway. And then we're going to scrape down the sides. And then we'll blend this again until it looks like this. We're going to melt 2 full sticks of unsalted butter. And then to that we're going to add 2 cups of granulated sugar. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're going to mix that until it's well blended together. And then we're going to add 4 eggs, stirring it one at a time. And then we're going to add the 1/2 cup of pecan butter. And we'll mix that together until it's well blended. And then we're going to melt 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And then we'll stir that up. And then we're going to add the melted white chocolate chips to it. And then we'll mix that together until it's well blended. And then we'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. After that, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to toast 1 cup of chopped pecans. And we're going to sprinkle that with salt. We'll toast it for 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we'll add some parchment paper. This is optional. And then we'll pour the batter in. And then we'll make sure we spread it around real evenly. And then we're going to add the toasted chopped pecans. And then we're going to add the white chocolate chips on top. And then we'll bake it for 20-25 minutes at 350 degrees. What's going to happen is we bake it, the white chocolate chips and the pecans are going to sink in the middle of it. It's just like magic. And this is how yours should look like. I made this for Thanksgiving and people loved it. So if you like white chocolate, pecan butter, and pecans, then this is for you. The recipe will be in the description, so give it a try.